Hello Hollywood stars, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be doing a room tour. I've never done one of these in my channel at all, not even when I lived with my parents, so this is like a big deal. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see what I have in my room, how it's decorated and all that good stuff, then just keep watching, and as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Low Hollywood time. Okay, so my room is upstairs. So when you come up here, the first thing that you'll see is my shoe rack. So this is it right here because it just does not fit inside my room because I do have a tiny little room. I do have two other roommates and I'm in college, so this is what I got. So when you come in, here's the door. And I'm going to give you a quick overview. So cute. I feel like I've definitely maximized the space in here. So let me know down in the comments below if you would like me to do a video on how I organize my things, especially being in a small little room. So this is the little overview. So this is my tiny little space, you guys. So I do have a queen bed, so it's definitely big enough for me to toss and turn, and it's super comfortable. I think I got this quilt and the pillows at Ross, and then this little throw guy right here, I think it was like $4 at Ulta like last holiday season, so that was really cool. I still need to put like a decoration up here in the wall because it is a little bit plain, so I need to figure out what to put there. But when you come in, so here's the shoe rack right there. So when you come in, I do love the fact that there's this switch right here. So this one helps dim the light, which is awesome, or you can make it brighter. How cool is that? And I also have a fan here and you can control the speed of it. So fancy. So this is the light up here. Let me dim it down. Whoa, isn't that cool? And then the rug that I have here, this one is also from Ross. It's so soft. I love it so much. I did want to keep the rug in here just because the floors are tile and it does get pretty cold. And then this guy right here, one of my friends, the one who I took the room over, she moved out, so I came in. She actually left this for me and I was like, yes, I want it. So all I had to buy were these little insert boxes, and I got these at Target, except for the middle one. That one was already there, but I just decided to get the rest of these to match, and they're from Target. I think this is definitely my favorite part of the room. It's so cute. Up there is just my sorority letters. I love this window too because we are on the second floor. I don't really have a view of neighbors or anything. It's just of this beautiful green tree, which is so cute. So I did, oh, there I am. So I did put a mirror right here because I wanted to lengthen the height of this room and make it appear a little bit bigger. So that's what I did there. Ooh, and my diffuser, so cute. I did mention this in my Amazon haul. I love it so much, and I'm gonna turn off the lights for you guys so you guys can see how amazing it is. But moving forward, I have these cute little pineapples. Apparently I have a thing for pineapples, so comment down below how many pineapples you see. So there's one. My diffuser. I have all of my favorite perfumes here. A little bit more in the back there. This plant is fake because I did try having a plant and that didn't really work out as well. So here's a little street view, I guess. See this beautiful tree right here. I have my little low letters here. I love these, they're so cute. By the way, I think I got these at Ross. And then these letters up here, I actually made these myself. Well, the cutouts I bought at Michael's, and then I bedazzled all of them. So this little plug-in is from Bath & Body Works. I have the rose and vanilla scent on. It smells amazing, so definitely check that one out. Don't mind this little piece of junk right here. This is all of my jewelry that I need to still organize. And then this is my favorite dresser. It holds so much clothes in here. So this one, my friend slash roommate gave me this when she moved out too. So I was like so grateful. And it's in such a great condition. So I really love this. So up here I have my TV. This TV is like amazing. I love it so much. Get yourself a smart TV because they're bomb. So here we have a little bit more pineapples. And then these headphones, I really wanted to get some of these because there was a picture of Rihanna, I think. She was wearing something similar to this and I like fell in love. So I had to get some. And I think I found these at Forever 21. Then I have my cute little pin here. MAC Basic Training. Bath & Body Works candle. This one, it smells really, really good. This is the New York one, rose water and ivy. You guys can tell that I have an obsession with the rose scent. It smells amazing. Also, this little guy is so cute because it's supposed to help like take off the lid and stuff. And it's magnetic, so it's really, really cute. Here I have, can you guys guess? So, I don't know what's going on. Why is it so blurry? So here I have another little plant. So this had a real plant, but it accidentally died. This is for my friend Elsie's and her husband's wedding. So I just put this fake plant in here so it wouldn't look, you know, weird. So yeah. So right here, you guys, I have my little wand. This is Hermione's wand. And this one my brother got me when he went to Universal Studios. So I'm so happy he got me this wand. This is my first wand. I do want to collect more, so I still have to go to Harry Potter World. So hopefully when I go, I'll get another one. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it. So there's the bed once again. I'm going to do a different like view of the room. So this is the entrance, the bed. I do have like a bunch of stuff down here because that's like storage, okay? So don't judge on that. But yeah, this is my cute little room. It's really comfortable. And this is definitely my favorite area. So cute. Also, by the way, here is my closet. I'll give you like a quick little glimpse of it. So let's see. So I just have my clothes here. And then I'll show you the other side. This up here is like my favorite part of the closet. It looks so good. And then here is another overview and my hamper down there. Okay, I'm gonna like, so I turned off the lights and I am also gonna close the blinds. That way you guys can see how beautiful this is. I love how it changes color too. It's so pretty. You can either have it be changing color or you can set it in one specific color, but I like to just do all the colors. Also, my little thing down here lights up. It's like a little night light. And back there where you see the little reflection, my little mood board. This is the first year that I did one, and I definitely want to keep doing them because I feel like it really helps the universe know what you want, put things out there in the universe, and, you know, make stuff happen. So definitely create a mood board if you haven't already, because they're honestly really, really cool to do, and they're so much fun to do. I did one with my friend, and it was just so much fun. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed my room tour. Please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!